maintain a healthy body and a healthy mind. Only if somebody asks me what is the only one indicator which suggests you are stress free or your health is good, that is sleep. You can sleep, go to bed without medication, without medicines. The moment you go to bed, within 15 minutes you have a very good sleep, you have a very good body, you have a very good mind. Exercise regularly. That is what is lacking in most of our doctors. Not only here, all over world it has been found that doctors do less exercise. They ask people to walk, they don't walk themselves. They ask people to do exercise regularly, they do, because there are a lot of factors. The doctors are not to be blamed because of their lot of personal stress, the life stress they undergo due to their professional obligations prevent them. But it is very important in this WHO year of hypertension, we will ask each and individual doctor to do exercise or walking daily at least 45 minutes. Of course, the last one I need not talk much. Everybody knows that. This attitude, most important, attitude is the gold mine. Attitude gives you success or failure. Why a single person, when he goes to top, inspire the imagination of millions of people, like our past president Abdul Kalam. When he was president, he inspired imaginations of thousands and thousands persons. So, the person is most important. The person who heads the organization is most important everywhere. He can increase the imagination power, he can increase the performance of that organization manifold. This is how you have to let go of the ego. You don't have to take everything personally. That is what is most important. Always have an optimistic approach to the life. Each individual person is different. Each person has some bad qualities, good qualities. Nobody is absolutely good, nobody is absolutely bad. So you have to learn the positive, you have to learn what are the positive qualities of that person, stimulate those, and know what are the bad qualities. Slowly and silently, without much prodding, silently you have to suppress those. That is it, an individual manager's technique. How he does, that depends upon his success and failure to manage the stress of the people working under him. Stop worrying about the things not under control. You cannot solve everything. You cannot solve all problems. Every problem has a solution. If you cannot find solution, then think this problem is not your problem. Try hard. Put all your expertise. Try to solve the problem. If you cannot, then delegate to somebody else. Don't keep it as your problem. Just give it to the top management or push it down below. Try to do whatever problem comes, try hard, put all your efforts. You are not successful, either push it up or push it downwards. Don't keep it. Then develop the right environment. That is what is important. If your environment is very important, your environment creates stress within you, either you stress or distress. So you have to learn how to manage the environment. That is most important. Important. Green and clean surrounding like our garden-rich colony. I have loaded about more than 5,000 videos about this hospital and things in YouTube. I am getting, and there are, you will be surprised to note, I have 30,000 viewers. 30,000 viewers. I get feedback every day, and they say that your garden is surrounding, whoever visited is beautiful. I always say, if there is heaven and earth, it is here. It is a very stress-free surrounding. So our doctors' performance are based in Indian Railways. I take pride in it. You have to play light and I have already discussed. Motivational posters and also words of wisdom, most important. You have to prepare defense strategy because it is a war. From womb to tomb, you are facing a war and you cannot escape the war. So in a war, you have to develop strategy to manage stress. That is what is more important. I have discussed. You have to protest on disagreements so that the other person don't feel hurt. That is the quality. You disagree, you protest, but if you are hurting the other person, then you are not achieving the goal. The other person must accept your disagreement, you must accept your viewpoint. That is what is most important. It will lead to a stress-free environment. Frustration, you have to voice it in a very polite and pleasant tone. And all fault, you have to educate, and educate. You have to go rationalization, this is important. Like Gita says that karmanye vadikarastu mafadeshu kadachana. Aapka karma, you have every right to do work, but the success and failure is beyond your control. That is Gita's way of rationalizing things. Then projection. You just imagine, suppose your parents are coming, you are staying, your own family members are coming. Suddenly wife gets hot in the morning. She says, most of time your relatives are coming. I am facing the burden. And she stops. She says that today I won't cook. So you have way to react. You can shout at your wife, give her threat that I will divorce you, I will kill you. You can increase your stress. But the moment your relatives arrive, you can say, sir, today the guest has not been delivered. My wife cannot go. We will go outside and eat. What is there? 2-3 days we will eat outside. The gas problem, you know, the prices are increased. There is a lot of black market. The gas people are not going to give any food for 3 days. Your relative will stay for 3 days. You just say them and start. Take your wife along and go to different hotels. You are paid good amount of money. So in this way, you can manage the stress. That is the Hariharan's way of projection. Blame something harmless. Then displacement of aggression to innocuous subjects. Suppose I am angry on some person. Then what I will do? I will keep a doll in his name. The moment I go home, I will put boxing to him till I feel tired and go to sleep. Instead of talking him bad, instead of fighting with him in the outside, I will go home and to his doll I will box till I feel tired and go to sleep. So this is a very innocuous way of aggression to innocuous objects and relieve your stress and anxiety. Then talking about old times, because we always talk about the Hariharan's period of CMD. Then we feel relaxed that Hariharan once you are there, it was a very wonderful CMD, we had very beautiful time, it was a golden period. We talk repeatedly, nostalgic feeling. Then you get specialized in contact with a psychiatrist, get specialized in how to manage stress. Or you can go to a regression, that is a neurotic state, daydreaming things. Or compensation by some other means. That I will not describe much. So, now we are going to end of the topic. We have to change the lifestyle and change only if necessary. That is the key. Change is very important, but every person has to think. Like I will tell you, another person once a day he came, Dr. Saab, you can come to our organization, you are giving very good lectures, so we will offer you 3 lakh per month. I told okay, but how many days? He told, we don't know. If the management changes, you may be thrown out. This railway, from the day I was born in the railway, it will care me. Even after my death, it will care my wife. Even my wife's death, it will care my dependent children if they are, you know, the railway, even mentally retarded children, they care. Family pensions are a fixed. Even if both parents die to the mentally retarded children, it gives pension. So you know how much it cares. So this, I cannot leave this railway and go to your organization simple because you are offering 3 and 4 lakhs. What will be your management change? Tomorrow you may throw me. After retirement I will be good pension till I am alive. After my death my wife will get pension. You are not going to give everything. So your 4 lakh is not lucrative for me. This railway is my mother and father, my bread and butter. It is more lucrative to stay here rather than going outside. I asked and that person got surprised. So, endure stress is justifiable. Stress is the essential part of life. And relax and overcome strategy if stress is overwhelming. What is the time? 9:50. So, then I will give you some practical demonstration what we are doing at our psychiatric clinic for 5-10 minutes. प्रेस करके और एक बार